In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Netflix on any smart TV that you have. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, as you can see, I already have Netflix installed. So if you want to install it yourself and you can't find it, the first thing you want to do, press the home button on your remote like so. And then once you're here, you want to select go through all your apps because it might be installed, but it might just be on the right hand side. But if it's not there, what you can do instead is install the application. So what you want to do is go all the way to the left and go to search, which is right there. So then once you click on search, you're going to be up on this area right here. Now you can search a show, a game, or an application. So what we want to do is search up Netflix right here. So I'm just going to type in Netflix. And then once you've typed it in, basically I already have it installed, so it's not coming up. But if you don't have it installed, it's going to show up right here. And then all you want to do is go onto it and then install it. And then it's literally going to take like less than 1 minute to install, obviously depending on your internet. And then you're going to see it here. And obviously, like I said, if you don't see it right at the start, you just want to go all the way to the right. And then it should be somewhere here. And then you can also edit the list and then move anything that you want to the start as well.